Now today we're doing one with 8-foot poles. These are your 8-foot upright poles. They have a threaded pin on top for your finials, so they're quite easy to tell apart from the rest. You have your ridge poles. These come in 2 sections and are slotted together to make a big long 14-foot ridge. This shorter one is your wedge ridge, and then you have fly poles and wall poles for flying up the outside of your tent to make it as high or low at the sides as you want. And that's all your stuff that you need.